perception, there is a positive and hopeful perception that my stay on this earth will be at least the time until birth. I awaken to unfamiliar sounds and sights, unaware of the world I have entered to fight, making my way without control of my own, my life in the hands of a woman with a soft tone. Not yet knowing who I am, with the force of water behind a dam, my spirit seeking to come out and fly, not yet understanding why. Strength growing steady, day by day. I learn the world through my daily play. Even though I rely on another person to live, I know I will have a lot to give. Smiles greet me often during my waking time, my face sometimes sour as if I ate a lime. I grow and learn like a sponge, ready to take my first step and lunge. Not yet knowing who I am, with the force of water behind the dam, my spirit seeking to come out and fly, not yet understanding why. Mobile and ready to run, I feel the energy of the sun, happy to be here and carefree. Only the strongest force can stop me, burning bright and shining my light. I have spread my wings and taken flight. Nothing can hold me back. I'm a runaway train going off the track. Not yet knowing who I am, with the force of water behind the dam, my spirit seeking to come out and fly, not yet understanding why. Growing a strong head of steam, I feel I can achieve my every dream. No barrier can hold my resolve to push forward and evolve, pushing myself higher, no limits in sight. I will shine in the darkest night, gaining ground and never backing down, moving forward at the speed of sound. Not yet knowing who I am, with the force of water behind the dam, my spirit seeking to come out and fly, not yet understanding why. My life will echo through the halls of time. It all seems so sublime. I have lived a full life without fear, no regrets when my time is near. Once no breath remains in my lungs, and I've climbed the ladder to the last rung. I hope that every once in a while someone will remember me with a smile. Not